has figured out that he has to be faster than Mom.
We've had a little accident. And Buster is in food heaven.
Alex, turn. I'm too busy looking at the cat. Something loud. Let me see my hand again.
Well, you better eat up, buddy, because that's your lunch.
Yeah, Daddy's gonna be standing next to his bowl. Like, where's my food at? Alex, can you please? I don't know.
Spin him around.
No, look at his legs.
I know, I'm saying spin him that way.
What? No, he needs a slanted thing. I'm doing good until food.
Oops.
Sit up. Sit up. Sit up.
Okay, buddy, I think you've had enough.
Well, actually,
He's helping.
He's only eating one at a time.
Dude, your belly almost touches the ground, bro.